What a fucking dickhead!
It goes electric, baby, when I turn it on. Off to my city.
You fucking...
You're shit.
Sugars and appetite suppressants, so that traditionally in an English Anglo-Saxon sort of English always the last thing that you ate. But the French tend to finish on a
What the fuck are you doing?
Scallop burger or hamburger. Just $12 for chips and a can. From 10 to 3 weekdays at New Oceanic Takeaway. You'll never see.
You must be fucking joking.
Social service joining us there with a new research out showing the wealth gap is wider.
Bruh.
go fucking ballistic. Get a grip!
The person the doc was saying these things to, because depending on where you go online, there are people just kind of throwing out all these different ages. So notably, all of them under the age of 18.
Like, did Doc know the age of the person he was talking to?
If he knew.
What the fuck?
There is a note that I want to end this on. One, there are very exciting and interesting things happening in the online space. Big.
You just keep right on driving.
Fuck. What the fuck happened there? What the fuck happened there?
Don't you fucking go in front of me, asshole. You fucking dick. Seriously. Fucking dick.
Tell you what, shitbag titty fucker of the week.
What the? What the fuck?
There's a cop coming, there's a cop coming.
Get him!
I mean, I know you tried it on house shows, but you admitted that, hey, maybe it could have been done a little differently, but it feels like there's two things we hear pretty routinely about what could have been.
Need more proof? Guess how Harry Hosky died.
I don't think that's supposed to be the way it is.
He used his formula on himself and it didn't work. He secretly had surgery and died 7 years later. 7 hard years. So don't mess with his formula on himself. That didn't work. He secretly had surgery and died 7 years later. 7 hard years. So
You get inside.
What a fucking wanker.
Give me.
absolute bastard.